Right, these are our volume notes part 2. So we're going to focus on finding the volume of a rectangular prism. How do you find the volume of a rectangular prism? You will take the length times the width times the height. Okay, you're probably familiar with this formula. L times W times H. Okay, length times width times height. And to review, when we use a graduated cylinder to measure volume, we look at the dip in the water level in the graduated cylinder, and that dip is called the meniscus. Okay, just to review that one vocabulary. All right, so let's get some practice on finding the volume of a prism. So the first one, and we're going to do centimeters here. The first one we're finding that it is about 2 centimeters for the length. For the width, about 2 centimeters. And for the height, it is about, 2 centimeters. Okay, so to plug those numbers into the equation, 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 gives us 8. And then our units is centimeters cubed, because we took 3 centimeter units and multiplied them together, so centimeters cubed. Okay, now for the larger cube. Get that in view for you. Okay, it is about 5 centimeters for the length. About 5 centimeters for the width. And about 5 centimeters for the height. Okay, so plugging that into the equation, 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, and 5 times 25 is 125. And this is again centimeters cubed. Okay, so that was just a little review of something that you've seen in elementary school with the length times width times height. Okay, make sure you show me these notes when you're finished and glue them into your ISN on page 12.